Welcome back to the Off Grid Homestead. Tom
and Tammy's
Off
Off Grid
Grid
Homestead.
Episode 58. Accept the challenges so that you can feel the exhilaration of victory.
Bring snow on the mountain and in the valley.
Oh, it snowed today. And you can see through the trees up there. We live right on the edge of the snow line. If you look out in the distance over there, you can see on that one tree, there's white on one side. Wet snow. We got the water runoff going down over here. Up here we're gonna have the pond. I hurried up and put this pipe in today because I didn't want it to overflow. It started cutting the channel in what we've been working on. You can see how fast that water's running. You can hear it coming through that pipe. Looking down the driveway. I think from up here we can see it. Yeah. See off in the distance? Off in the distance up there? You see the trees? We live right at the edge of the snow line. During the day, it's consistently up into the upper 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s. Off in the distance over there. You see off in the distance over there? You see the snow. And there's no snow over here. There's snow up there. There's a lot of work to do. My culvert's working. The water's going underneath the road over here. Off in the distance over there, you can see where I graded that. I got a little bit more to do so I don't end up with any standing water. But we don't have a big pond over there, so that's somewhat of a success. But you can see the water running down over here real quick. Running water. Tammy put all the animals away. You can see the water running out into. That's got to get built up. We're gonna build this up even higher so it's level with over here. If you've been wondering what we've been doing with all the extra dirt when we're moving it, that's what we've been doing with it. Put that over there. There's Tammy all bundled up.
And put the animals away so I can be tired.
Can you believe how fast that water's running out of there?
We have a river. The river runs through it.
Yeah. Well, all that water that's running down there used to run across the property. Yeah. Poseidon did his business. How do you know Poseidon did his business?
Now, did bear poop in the woods? Which I didn't do.
Yeah. Well, on a 40-acre homestead, if Poseidon pooped in the corner, you would know it on the opposite corner.
Yeah, you would.
You would know it.
It's bad.
You know, the water's running down.
Love you, babe.
Me too. Look at that. Look at all that water. Unbelievable. The back corner, I don't know if you guys can see that, up in the back corner, up that tree line back, that's the back corner of our property. We go just past, there's actually, I don't know if you can see that hill right there. We have to go past that, and then there's another one past that. That's the other corner. It's something, like in no time at all. Right, I was just out here filming and talking about the snow line, and 15 minutes, half an hour later, and now it's snowing right here, and it's coming down hard. It's pretty though. You know, we're coming into the beginning of March, and it's snowing like crazy. We had mid 40s, 50s, mid 60s. You know, not too long ago, I was out here digging trenches, you know, without my shirt on because I was so hot. And now it's snowing. Interesting what we'll find in the morning. Here we are, next morning. So it snowed overnight. And a river runs through it. You get the overflow from the pond going down the side of the road. Oh. Well, with basically 2 weeks till the start of spring, and it snowed. This is, my memory serves me right, this is the second snow this season. Two weeks before the official start of spring. Well, I didn't plan this, so this is take 3. Talk about snow. The owl's upside down. Wings are. There it goes. Oof. Better. teepee. There it is. What is there? 3 inches of snow on the ground. Let's see if there's a tape measure in here. No snow on the teepee. See how deep it is. 4 inches. 4 inches of snow. Well, I guess the final video will be how long it lasts today. Cold. Usually not this cold. But I guess when you're living up in the mountains, you can get some freak weather like this. I don't know if you can see that off into the distance. The snow. I'm eventually gonna make an episode that talks about the madrone trees. They're a evergreen that keeps their leaves all winter. Until the next video. Well, I said that there would be a final video for the day, and it's been quite the day. The sun came out today and it warmed up and all the snow started to melt off, and then it started to rain about an hour and a half ago, and then it started snowing again. So we got a lot to do on the homestead. I gotta deal with the solar. I gotta deal with the generator setup. We had a temporary cover set up for our generator over by the well house, and you notice I've been walking a little different in these videos because I don't have my shoes on. I got sandals on. I've been walking around in sandals in the snow. So, you see, sandals in the snow. Anyways, the snow was so heavy it crushed our cover for the well house. It collapsed. I had a temporary setup for the storage containers and the camper. So the snow ruined that. I just had stuff basically jury rigged up. So on our sailboat. I ended up with some of the sails. Our solar panels are right here. There's 24 of them. And there's the what's left of the. I just had a sail up there. Oh, that's all destroyed. Rolled up all the awnings on the camper. Oh, that means I just need to stop procrastinating and get it done. But I believe it. If a little earlier was the story to tell for the night, I think it's going to snow again tonight. You can hear the water running. Have your best day, and look out for tomorrow's video. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. We appreciate it. Follow us. We have a lot to do. A lot of projects.